Henry here, and in this video I'm just going to be talking about my thoughts on US NAS100. So overall, looking at the monthly, as you can see, we're bullish. So the only thing we're anticipating for is a continuation to the upside. So we just look at it and we look for inefficiencies, areas price can come back for mitigation with a potential continuation to the upside. And on the monthly, we can see this solid family gap here. So for us to confirm a reversal from this family gap on the monthly, we would like to see a 4-hour break of structure to the upside. Then we scroll down to the weekly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, it's quite a very tricky price action. You just have this high, this low, this high. Everything here just looks so much like a consolidation. So we go to the daily. Now the daily looks a lot better when it comes to the market structure. We can see we have this overall high here, overall low here, and then on the daily time frame we can see how price is consistently been creating a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high here, higher low here, and a high high. So if I'm bullish, I'll be looking for opportunity to buy this within this range low and this range high, which you already know we're bullish. And right here we draw the Fibonacci from the range low to the range high. This area right here is our extreme discount zone. So this would be a beautiful area for me to look for buys. Now that being said, as you can see on the daily, our higher high here got broken, and this was the last down close candle. We had a high, a low, a break. This is our last down close candle. So if we wanted to buy, potentially want to buy from this last down close candle, either the mitigation or the liquidity. In this case, we saw the mitigation rallied, mitigated the fair value gap, came back down, rallied again, mitigated the fair value gap, came back down, creating low resistance liquidity right here. So after creating this low resistance liquidity right here, if we do catch a buy, we'll target these low resistance liquidities. Now right here, the last down close candle, if price mitigates it, whether it's the bodies or the fair value gap in between. So let me zoom this in a bit. So whether we're mitigating the bodies here or the fair value gap here or running the liquidity, whichever one it is the market wants to use, all we want to see in this zone is a 30 minutes break of structure to the upside. So if we see a 30 minutes break of structure to the upside from here, we'll just look for a buy. So as you can see, we've taken the liquidity, go to 30 minutes time frame, and look for a break of structure. And as you can see, we have a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and right here we have a lower low. And as you can see, we broke structure. So after breaking this structure, our focus is going to be on the key level. Price is going to come down into mitigate and potentially continue to the upside if we're bullish. So we simply go to 1 hour to see the last down close candle, and right here is the last down close candle. We make it a different color. Let's make it purple. So right here, it's earning here. We look for buy, we can